Gelato Print on Demand tutorial. So in this video, I'll provide a brief explanation to the Gelato Print on Demand platform and guide you on how to use it effectively. So we will cover how to create a personalized product using your own custom designs or photos, as well as how to integrate it with the popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others. So let's dive right in. So, Gelato serves a print on demand platform where you can bring your creative ideas to life. They offer a diverse range of blank products that you can customize with your unique designs, texts, or icons. Once personalized, these products can be listed and sold through your own e commerce store. Okay, now we should go to their website. So, to do that, go to gelato.com. Okay, once you're there, you'll find valuable insights into their products offering and information about the platform itself. So to get started, just click on the sign up for free option here to create your account. So here you have the option to sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Or you can choose the sign up with your email option. Here, after selecting the Google Sign Up option, I proceeded with the registration process. So upon completion, Gelato offers a simple customization step to your experience. Here they ask about what's your goal with Gelato, whether it's to grow your business, shop for yourself, or other options. So here I'll just choose for just exploring choice. Next, they will ask you about the category that best describes you, such as an influencer, a seasoned e commerce seller, or someone looking to start a business. So, here, let me just select I'm an influencer for this matter. Great. So, here, Gelato wants to know what type of products you want to sell, such as paper prints, clothing, or any other. So choosing your product category will not affect the overall functionality of the website, but it will help in customizing your dashboard. And also here, they ask about how you heard about Gelato, and in my case, let me just click on social media. Yeah, so finally click on the finish button and you'll be redirected to your main dashboard. So it may take a moment to load, but once it does, you can start selecting the products you want to order as your first item. Okay, here you have home or basically your main dashboard. So from here, you can access various features and functions. So here you have different features like product catalog, where you can explore and view different products offered by Gelato for printing. And here you can just skip the tutorial or step-by-step guidance if you're already familiar with the platform. So within the dashboard, you'll find helpful steps to get started with specific integrations. Just click on the Get Started here and you'll find different stores to connect with like Etsy and Shopify, but we will address that later. So basically your main dashboard offers a central hub for managing the overall Gelato experience. Okay, now here within the product catalog section, Gelato offers a wide range of options including men's clothing, women's clothing, bags, wall art, phone cases, mugs, photo books, and more. You can explore these categories to find these products you'd like to customize and sell. So moving on, let's take a look at the store section. Okay, here if you click on stores, you'll find that you don't have a store connected yet. But here, Gelato allows you to connect your Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, or BigCommerce store. So here also you have the option for the other integrations as well. Okay, so in our case, let's just choose Shopify and connect to a Shopify store. So here, if you click on Shopify and following the link, you'll be directed to the Gelato app on your Shopify. So just click on install and then install app right here to connect your store. So next you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to import and process orders, either automatically or manually. So in this case, I'll select automatically. And then you have the option to connect your existing products or create new ones. So here, if you click on connect your product, you'll be presented with a list of products available in your Shopify store. So if you select a product and click on the connect product, it will be listed on your Gelato store. Well, this allows customers to buy your Shopify products directly from your Gelato store. Okay, now let's proceed by clicking on the connect product. So once it's connected, you can choose a blank product from Gelato to further customize it. So here in our case, let's choose a basic t-shirt for women like this one. So after we choose the product we need, Gelato may guide us through a quick tutorial. So navigate through it, simply click on next. So once you're done with the tutorial, you can close it by clicking on the visible closing icon. So this process enables you to connect and synchronize your Shopify products with Gelato, expanding your selling opportunities and allowing for customization options through Gelato Store. So now let's proceed to choose the product variant. So here there are options such as direct to garment printing or embroidery. For now, let's leave it as it is using the default option. So here also we can see the color white and the size as well. Next we have the color and size option. So in this case, let's just pick a random color. Once we choose that, the product view will showcase different sections of the t-shirt like the front, back, inner neck, the outer neck, and so on. So just give it a moment to load and you'll be able to see these visual representations. Okay, now let's move on to choose the sizes you want to offer for this particular t-shirt. And also you have the option to add new layers and include multiple designs on the top of each other. So you can do this by choosing add new layer right here. And also you can add photos from your device and insert text, personalize it. Here, as you can see, we have two options, using Shopify in-page personalization feature or utilizing the Gelato editor. So to add custom design, click on the add file right here and choose the desired design from your device. So here it supports various sources like your device, local storage, cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, and others. So in this case, I'll select the design that I have saved before. So just simply drag the chosen design into the area and it will appear on the t-shirt. So if you need to make some adjustments, you can resize or reposition the design as needed. So now let's proceed with adding a text to the back of the t-shirt so that you can add your business title or name or anything you want. So you can move the text to the desired position and also you can rotate it. So here you can also expand the text to make it a bit more visible. So let's just increase the size to something like this. Yeah, it looks good. So in addition to the text and designs, it allows you to print or add a logo or a design in different areas of the t-shirt. So here you have the option like the inner neck, left sleeve, right sleeve, and the outer neck. So now let's explore adding a graphic to the inner neck. So you can choose from various options like you see here. So just choose the graphic that you want. So by customizing the product in this way, you can create a unique and personalized design that represents your brand style. Alright, so now let's proceed with adding a pattern to the inner neck. So just wait a moment for the available options to load. So once they appear, select the pattern that you like. So for example, you can choose the pattern shown here or the one next to it. So after selecting the pattern, give it a moment to load onto the t-shirt. So once loaded, you can see how it enhances the design. Okay, so now that your design is complete, you have the option to continue to mockups. So you can choose to select mockups for your product or skip this step if you prefer. So in our case, let's skip the mockup selection and just go to the next step, which is the final connection. So here, let's just wait for the page to load. Okay, now let's proceed with editing prices for the product variants. So here in the price variance section, you'll find the gelato price and the retail price. So the difference between these two prices represent your profit. So let's just say the prices for each variant like $50. So here you'll see that this is the product cost and here the shipping cost. So with these figures, the estimated profit will be like this. So increasing the price will naturally increase your profit. And also here you have the option to set a profit margin. So let's just say 30% for now. Okay, now once you have made all the desired changes, let's just click on update to update the prices. Okay, now after updating the prices, just click on publish right here. So you will observe that the product is now being published. And once the process is completed, you'll see a notification confirming the successful process. Okay, so here you can see different variants and the ones that are not yet connected. In this case, we have this variant to our products. So here we have currently connected this variant. Okay, so to finalize the connection, we can proceed to connect the remaining sizes. Well, that's how simple it is to connect your product from your e-commerce store to Gelato. So you can add your designs or design a blank product on Gelato, enabling you to start selling it effortlessly. So that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something valuable. Thank you.